Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing very well. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share with you very beautiful handbag clutches and design idea. You can see in this video different types of clutches design ideas in the different shape and color. You can see it's look very beautiful and very gorgeous and very beautiful. So guys, first of all, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you get all the notification of my videos. So if you want to see more collection like this, so visit my channel. You can find different types of clutches design ideas. So send your feedback. How was my today's video? So if you like my today's design ideas, so like my video and share the link with your family member and others.